is the latest three-phase electrical network analyzer, the CA8345. Class A for all the measurements, it uses the familiar Qualistar user interface. For all its measurements, this analyzer complies with the third and latest edition of the IEC. The GPS synchronization module necessary for Class A is directly integrated in the Qualistar. Mechanically speaking, the CA8345 has 5 voltage inputs and 4 current inputs, which are totally isolated from one another. For communication, it offers Ethernet, USB to PC and built-in Wi-Fi modes. On the front, there is an SD card, which can be duplicated onto an USB drive. It is also possible to use a remote display with a VNC mode. Its 7-inch color graphical TFT screen is backlit and touch sensitive. The measurements and recordings can be accessed simply and directly on the front panel. 3 buttons for immediate measurements: waveform, harmonics, power. 6 buttons for monitoring and recording: trend, transient, inrush, alarm, monitoring, and energy values. You also have access to the online help in 22 languages, the parameter settings and screenshots. The Qualistar CA8345, the Class A 3-phase electrical network analyzer.